So the component shipment got a bit delayed, so while customs try to figure out whether or not I'm a criminal, let's take a look at the mechanical parts. So this rubber suspension obviously needs to be replaced. So let's see if we can use these standard cable grommets, or bolts as they're sometimes called. Seems to be a pretty good match. Oh, there's a lot of rubber left here. I'm going to use some acetone to try to get it off. Gotta make sure not to get acetone on the gasket we want to keep, because it will destroy them. Now they're all in place. Unfortunately, one of the rivets are missing. I'm guessing it's there to keep the screw from eating into the gasket while it's vibrating. Now we have to look at the brake system. Here we have a brake for this wheel, here we have another. So on this arm there's supposed to be some kind of brake pad, but this is completely empty. On the other one we can see that there is something left, but it is completely used up and needs to be replaced. Now I don't know what materials to use here, so I'm going to have to guess a bit. Let's see if we can remove the remains of this brake pad to get an idea of what material it is. So we'll have to disengage the brake. And we do that by putting it in reverse. Oh, look, some of the wire has gotten wrapped around this piston. Let's remove it. Okay, so we had to remove the wheel to get proper access to the brakes. Now let's try to get it off. There we go. Seems to be some kind of felt material. We'll try out this adhesive felt material that is intended to make furniture pads. Guess it could work. Well, it kinda worked. I had to remove them and sand them down a bit, which I could do with a regular sandpaper apparently. But we will see how well it works when we turn it on.